Good morning, children. Our next topic is reports. Report is a summary of your database. Reports are generally prepared and presented in hard copy. If you need to share information from your database with someone, do not have want to the person to actually work with your database. Reports also provide the facility to group and sort the items, thus making it much more readable. Not only reports children, by using the queries and tables also, forms also, we can create the groups and we can sort the items. Okay, here in the reports we have some sections are there, children. What are those? Report header, detail, page footer and report footer. Report header means this section contains the information that generally appears on a cover page, such as logo, title, or a date. It appears at the top of each page in a report. Whatever we are giving in the report header, that we can see in the every page at the top of the each page, children. Next one is the page header. This page header contains the information that is to be displayed at the top of the report. In the page header, what will be, children? In a table we have column headings. Okay, those columns headings only we will have here in the reports page header. Those column headings only we should call as here page header, children. Detail. The next one is the detail. This is where you place the controls that make the main body of the report. It displays the records and appearance between the page header and page footer. Details are nothing but records, children. Some students' records. Those all records will under in the detail section only, children. Okay. Next one is the page footer. This section contains the printed at the end of every page. Page footer is used to print the page number and a total number of pages. In this page footer, we normally printed the page numbers or total number of pages. Okay, children. The next one is the report footer. Report footer. In this report footer, prints totals or other information for the entire report. It appears on the last page of the report and displays the summary of the entire document. By using this report footer, we can give the summary of the report, children. It appears at the last page of the report. Okay, and it displays the summary of the entire report, children. By using this report header footer, we can display the summary of the entire report. Okay, children. Our next topic is creating a report using report wizard, children. For that, first we have to select the table. Whatever table we are using, first we have to select the table, children. Here I am selecting student table. Okay. After selecting the student table like this, click on create, children. In that create, here report wizard option is there. Now, children, just click on that report wizard. Then you will get a window like this. Here table or queries option is there. Here drop down arrow is there. Now, children, just click on the drop down arrow. There you can select the table students. Okay. After selecting the table, just here see this available fields. Okay. Whatever fields we are having in that table or in that query, those all you can see here. Okay. Whatever fields you want in the form, in the report, so double click on that field, children. Here I want roll number, so double click on it. If you double click on it, you will get that selected fields in this here. Okay, I want marks like that. I want grade and then city I want. Okay, like this you have to select, then click on next, children. Okay, if you click on next, whatever fields you selected, here you can see all those fields: roll number, name, marks, grade and city. Then next, just click on next. Here ascending order or descending order. First what you want. In those also, first whatever field you want, means here drop down arrow is there. Now, children, just click on the drop down arrow. There you will get fields. Whatever fields you selected, you can see here those fields. Whatever field you want first, then you can keep it. First I want city, so you just keep city. Then next, whatever field you want, just a drop down arrow is there, just click on it and select. Name I want next. Then marks, and then grade, like that. Okay, then click on next. You selected 2. What are those? City 2 times we selected, no? That's what it will showing us. Just click on drop down arrow, then you can select other one. That is grade. We didn't selected, no? Grade. Okay, just click on next. Then it will ask me as a column, tabular or justified. Just click on the tabular only, children. Then click on next one. Okay, here control from data, like this it will come. Just click on office, whatever it is there by default, whatever it is there, you just keep on that only. Then click on next. Okay, here preview the report and modify the report design options are there. Okay, if you click on the preview the report to see the report, just click on finish. Or else if you want to modify, that means font design, font size, different fonts. If you want to modify anything, means you just click on this modify report design. Okay, if you want to see the report, just if you completed like that, just click on this preview the report, then click on finish. Then you will get the report like this, children. Student table 3, city, name, marks, grade and roll number. Okay, children, like this you will get. Okay, see in this one, our next topic is creating a report using report tool, children. For that, first again we have to select the table whatever you want. Again click on go to create. There now, before you selected report wizard, no, children. Now we have to click on the blank report. Which one? Blank report. Double click on it. Then you will get one report like this, children. Here right side you will get the field list. Field list. Only we have one table now, so we are getting like this. In these fields, whatever fields you want, you just double click on it. I want roll number, so that just double click on it. If you click on the double click on it, means you will get that field. See roll number, then grade, then phone number, then class, then address. Like this also you can create your report, children. By using the report wizard you can create, or else by using this blank report also you can create your fields, children. If you are having more tables, means here we will get the plus symbol. Here we are getting minus, no, children. We will get the plus symbol. Then if you click on that, then you will get like this you will get some tables or queries. We have only one table, no, so we are getting only one. Okay, if you click on this plus is there, no, if you just click on it, you will get all the fields whatever are there in that table. Those fields you can see there. Okay, you just double click on it, then you will get that field into your report, children. Our next topic is formatting a report, children. Okay, to format the report, first we have to select the report, children. Here you can see this one, report 1, like that. Okay, so after selecting the report, just click go to here view, children. In that view, just click on that view. There you can select layout view or design view, children. Which one? Layout view or design view. Okay, design view I am selecting. Then you will get like this, children. Okay, here whatever you want to formatting is nothing but to change the color, to change your background, to change the font styles, fonts, those are. Okay, just select that one. After selecting that, here property sheet option will be in the tools group. Just click on this one, property sheet. If you click on that property sheet, in the format option, where, children, in the format tab, you will get here font colors, font size, font name and all. Font size is there. If you want to change, click on that font size. Okay, there you can select the font change. Font name, if you want to change the font name, just click on it, select the font. Okay, sir. Okay, children, like this you can format the border color, each and everything. If you move the mouse pointer to there, once you click it, means drop down arrow is there. If you just click on the drop down arrow, just select the colors. Okay, background color like this you can format your report, children. See here, children, by using this page header, if you just click on this page header, children, then in the property sheet you will get the format options. In that format options here, back color is there. If you click on the drop down arrow, you will get the colors. Okay, whatever color you want, you just click on that one, children. Okay, access theme, I am changing the another one. See, like this you can change. See here, details I am selecting. Just if you click on that, you will get the options. You will get options like this. Here you can change the colors. Okay, like this you have to change the, you have to format your report, children.